Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Canoe trip.
Peppa and her family are going on a canoe trip.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. Can we have a canoe for the day, please?
Yes, here you go. You'll need life jackets and paddles for Mummy and Daddy.
Thanks.
Have a lovely day. I'll call you when it's time to come back.
Which way do we go?
You can go either way.
Let's go that way. This is fun.
Oh, we're not moving.
And it's really hard work.
That's because you're paddling against the flow of the river. Try going the other way.
OK.
Oh, that's much better.
It is easier to paddle with the flow of the river.
Happy canoeing!
Peppa and her family are off on their canoe adventure.
Let's pretend this is a jungle river.
And we are the first explorers to ever come this way.
Will we see wild animals?
Oh, yes. All kinds of wild and fierce animals.
It's Mrs. Duck.
Ho, ho! I wonder what other dangerous creatures are swimming in these waters.
Will there be crocodiles?
Well, we're not really in the jungle, so I don't think we'll see a crocodile. Ah!
Hello there.
Here is Mrs. Crocodile.
Oh, hello.
Are you having fun on the river?
Yes.
Me too. I was just out for a swim.
Lovely.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at those lovely plants on the riverbank.
Yes. Let's stop and do a bit of jungle exploring.
I hope we see a lion.
Oh, I think it's unlikely we'll see a...
Hello there.
It is Mr. Lion.
I'm having a picnic. Would you like to be part of it? I've got lots of lovely fruit and a big bowl of salad.
Ooh, my favourite.
Yes, salad. What could be a better lunch?
Mr. Lion likes picnics. Everyone likes picnics.
So, you're canoeing down the river.
Yes, we're having an adventure.
Oh, fantastic. I think you'll like the next bit of the river. It's very exciting.
I like exciting.
Yes. So we do have to go through that bit again. Ready, Mummy Pig?
Ready?
Steady, go!
It is very hard work to paddle against the flow of the river.
We are going really slowly.
Hi again. Do you need a push?
Yes, please.
We're back.
Amazing! How are you moving against the flow without paddling?
Hi there.
Mrs. Crocodile! You startled me!
Oh, sorry, Miss Rabbit. I was just giving them some help.
Yes. Thank you so much, Mrs. Crocodile.
You're very welcome.
That was the best canoe trip in the world ever.
Peppa loves canoe trips. Everyone loves canoe trips.